Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a cold brew using a French press. It's a very simple process, and usually people own a French press, but if you don't own one, you can definitely get one online. Here I am adding 6 tablespoons of ground coffee. I'm using Starbuck espresso. It's one of my favorite flavors. You can use any kind of flavor of coffee you would like, as long as it has a coarse ground to it. Here I am filling my measuring cup with 16 ounces of filtered water. I'm using my Berkey, and it has the cleanest tasting water I've ever had. Once you've added your water to your coffee, you're going to place the lid on top and make sure not to push the plunge down just yet. Now we're going to store it in our refrigerator for a minimum of 12 hours and a maximum of 24. Now it's ready. All you have to do is take it out of the refrigerator . Now this part is optional, but I do like to have my cold brew extra cold, so I'm going to be filling up my Starbucks cup, or your favorite cup, with some crushed ice. Now this is the fun part. We're going to push the plunger down, and we're going to do it slowly. This way it ensures that no grounds will get into your drink. Once that part is completed, you will then pour your cup of cold brew coffee. Now this is concentrated, and you can add water if you like to or not, and I like to add a little bit of water to mine. Now there you have it. Here is your Starbucks cold brew coffee. You can add a little bit of creamer or milk, or you can just drink it as it is. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.